Legends of Learning presents the Unit Rate Ratio Rarities game. This is a math game that makes learning about solving unit rate problems fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, unlock the joy of math with Unit Rate Ratio Rarities. Step into a whimsical card shop where deals, duels, and mini-games will make learning ratios and unit rates a thrilling adventure. Students will negotiate card pack prices, face off in exciting battles, and master math skills through lively token collecting challenges. Designed to be as entertaining as it is educational, this game offers a dynamic, hands-on experience that's perfect for classroom or at-home learning. Get ready for a vibrant, interactive way to make complex math concepts easy.
What number goes into the second slot if we are comparing
Use the mouse to click on different numbers to insert
The total
them
cards
to
is 8
complete
to
math unit rate ratio
Try to
questions.
defeat my best card.
Answer the questions correctly to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.